What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with yet again another video. All right, so y'all already know how I do it, man. Let's just jump straight into it. So today I want to talk to you guys about simply how you can turn money into a credit line and get a major primary on your account. All right, so as you all may have seen or may have not have seen my last video, when I was simply referring to a secured card as a no-go, right? Especially for CPs and different things that you guys are trying to do specifically with a CP. Okay, so I'm gonna just give y'all one strategy right here to where you guys can literally put a major primary on your account, 5,000, 10,000 if you want to, right? Even more if you want to. So when you do the phone play, okay, so of course you must have your CP or your personal or your business. It must be built up in some type of way. All right. I don't mean just built up with trade lines only. A lot of you guys hit me up, you're like, yo, I got a score. I'm like, all right, cool. It'll be 7 something. I'm like, what's behind it? And I ask y'all what's behind it. You just got AUs, or you got like 1 AU, or you got 2 AUs, right? You can't do anything with just AUs on your credit report. Before you could do that, about 2-3 years ago, you could literally go in with just AUs on your credit report, 800 credit score, and you was good to go. Literally, you was good to go to get funded, right? Now it's not like that. They pushing things back further and further and further, all right? And that's cool because we can still have different strategies to do exactly what we need. So this gonna piggyback off of the iPhone play, right? And the content I give out on YouTube is free content, right? Because the content that's paid for, or the packages that's paid for, which also comes with the consultations, are in-depth, and there are way deeper creative ways where you can do a lot of different things, okay? That's the easiest way I can say it without really just telling you. So I'm gonna just give you one of the tricks that you can do. And let's say a quick 5K, 10K iPhone play, right? Trust me, there is a way where I teach my students where you can get way more than that, all right? But say you get 5 to 10 iPhones, right? And I'm talking about with a CP. So let's say you get 5 to 10 different iPhones, all right? Now, when you get those iPhones off, right? Now, of course, like I said, you must be built up properly, okay? You can't just have AUs on there. You got to have some primaries and things like that. Rule of note, I would suggest every 4 primaries that you have 1 AU, all right? Every about 4 primaries that you have an AU. So if you got 2 AUs, you need 8 primaries, all right? It's very easy to get them, not hard at all. And there are primaries with age as well, so it wouldn't hurt your credit age or anything like that, and you'll be good to go. So once you get the phones, right, and you sell those phones from the websites overseas, or if you know somebody locally who buy them for a good price, right, now you got that money. Instead of you taking that money, right, and just spending it, take that 5,000, take that 10,000, okay? Then you get a secured card. So you just turn play until cash until high limit primary on your account, just like that, right? Or on your credit profile, just like that, from simply taking that cash, okay? And it literally takes, an hour, right? Taking that cash that you just made, getting a secured card using that cash, okay? So if you made 10,000, put 5,000, right? And me personally, I would do the whole 10, right? Because a $10,000 primary, that looks really good. So I would do the whole 10, literally. And then just use different strategies like, to scale up from there. But take the money from the iPhone play. If you haven't seen the iPhone play, go check the iPhone play out. Take the money from the iPhone play and then go to your bank of choice, or don't go to your bank of choice. Be online with your bank of choice, and literally you have a primary, a large primary, simply from just doing that, okay? That's on a very, very small scale. You feel me? So what that's going to do is, number one, like I said, when you're shipping those phones off, you're not going to have anything on your credit report for about 3 or 4 months. All right, so with that primary coming in, you got a solid 45 days to bust some moves. You know what I'm saying? You got a solid 45 days to bust a move. If you don't want to, you want it for longevity purposes, now you got a 10K trade line on there, and then you go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, you clean that, the phones off, boom, now you good. You know what I'm saying? So that's just another quick play for you guys, so you can have a big, secure primary on your account if you want to do it. And guess what? It's not coming out of your pocket. All right, it's not coming out of your pocket. So I just knew I had to turn it up a notch because a lot of people taking my sauce, a lot of people stealing this, stealing that, right? So guess what? We got more. All right, the leader of the new wave. So check this out. Because I didn't make a video yesterday in time enough to put it out to you guys, this is what I'm going to do. Today is Monday. Y'all already know Sundays I do consultation giveaways. So today I'm going to pick 2 of my favorite comments, favorite subscribers that gives the most likes, shares the most. We're going to do 2 today, and then boom, you guys hit me up for the consultation. All right. If you already got a personal credit consultation, it'll be a business consultation. If you already got a business consultation, it'll be an H Corp consultation. Okay, so number 1, the winner is Derek Wright. All right, Derek Wright, you've been under all my videos, man. You literally almost won last week. It was like a toss up, like right. So you win this week, and also the snake pit. All right, the snake pit. We've been chopping it up. You know what I'm saying, like nonstop all week. So both of y'all hit me up, man. Free consultations, whatever you guys want to talk about. On that level, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to tell you everything you want to know as far as building on that level, how you make money on that level. And literally with each level, I can show you a 50K play. That's nothing. It's very easy. All right. So that's exactly what I'm going to do for y'all. I just ask that y'all continuously just keep commenting, keep subscribing, keep sharing these videos. When y'all also had the consultations, man, make sure you hit the comments, man. Like, let the people know, because the people want to know, like, who is this dude? You know what I'm saying? Like, what y'all getting? Right? So let the people know in the comments. For all of you guys who want to hit me up, man, you can find my info in the description. All right? Find my info in the description. You can hit me up at any time. The Discord is now shut down. Yes, yes, yes. I said it. The Discord link is now shut down. We have 500 people that are in the Discord that we're just going to build, and we're going to shave a little fat from there. But we got 500 people, and that's what I'm going to use to build. And then from there, the people who pay for consultations, the people who I work with, then you guys get enrolled in the Discord. Okay? But for now, and for, you know, I may open it up a little bit, maybe once a month for a day, 2 days, maybe a week. I'm not sure. But for now, I know for sure that it's closed. It's been open for about 2 to 3 weeks. We got 500 people in the Discord. That's great for a small community to build on. So let's get it, man. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video, man. You guys congratulate the winners of this week. Make sure you are the winner of next week. And let's get to it. It's the 4th month, 12 months, right? We are 3rd through the year. Y'all know it's going down at the end of the year, right? All right. I'm glad y'all know. 5 of y'all, bare minimum, is going to hit that M. I'm telling you, 5 of y'all, bare minimum, is going to hit that M. I know a few of y'all who going to already do it off the rip, but I need a few more to get in your bag. Ain't nothing else going on, yo. Don't worry about the springtime. Don't worry about the weather. Don't worry about none of that, man. It's time to get money. It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with another video. Let's get it.